Hi, I'm Brian. My demo is called Gravitational Lensing Filter. Unlike regular filter, this filter shows how would the pictures or the stuff will looks like behind a massive object. So that's pause for a minute. What is gravitational lensing? Gravitational lensing is a technique astronomers use to see how celestial that is billions of light years away or really far away looks like. So now you might ask why we can't just use normal telescope or our naked eyes for observations. Okay, so most of the time this will work because the star is not so faint that we can see. But some of the time, as those astronomers or researchers have to do research with those really far away distance galaxy or stars, their light are so fainted that it is impossible to use our normal method or our naked eyes to observe. So this kind of situation gives rise to the gravitational lensing. Now let me show you how the concept and the methodology of gravitational lensing with using the magnifying glass as an example first. So this is the normal magnifying glass. I'm trying to get the right distance. Okay, so this is the magnifying glass. This is the glass itself, and this is the light. As the light passes through the magnifying glass, it will be refracted 2 times and then contracted to a single point, or decontracted to like in other directions, so that we could see magnified pictures. Okay, now so as for the gravitational lensing, this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the source, this is the mass, which is black holes or dark matter halos, and this is our observers. So as the light emit from the source, it will travel in all directions in 3-dimensional space. And then okay, so since I'm drawing this on the whiteboard, so it looks like 2-dimensional, but it's actually 3-dimensional. Okay, so as the light emits from the source, it will travel in all directions, and then the light that passed through the massive object will be wrapped and bended a little bit or a lot, depends on how the object mass and depends how the massive looks like. And then after it wrapped it or curved it, if you want, the light will travel in a straight path in this space-time. But as the light that travel farther away from this massive object, it will travel in a straight path again until it reaches our eyes. So this is how the methodology of the gravitational lensing. So let me show you how my demos looks like. Okay, so let's go back to our filters. So this is how my filters codes look like. As you can see, there's kind of parameters and stuff inside. So using this code, I can transform my pictures into a transformed picture, which is gravitational lensed filter. Gravitational lensed pictures. So I have 3 pictures right here. So the first picture is me with the gigum, and this is how it looks like after the transformations. And then this is how the normal grid, which is what we use for physics and mathematics to compute how the gravitational lensing works, or gravity affects the space-time. And this is how it looks like after applying the filter. Okay, so for the dash pictures, we got the Hubble's pictures of the stars and celestials, and this is how it looks like after applying the filter. Okay, so this is my demos. Hope you like it.